In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Yahoo Mail to Google Chrome in a way that's both simple and efficient. Having quick access to your Yahoo Mail can save you time and make checking your inbox a breeze, and I'll show you exactly how to set that up with just a few straightforward steps. Let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. When you have Chrome open, navigate to a new tab by clicking on the little plus sign next to your existing tabs. This new tab is like a fresh canvas that will help us create a quick shortcut for Yahoo Mail. Once you're in the new tab view, direct your attention below the search bar. You should see a series of icons representing shortcuts to various sites. This area is valuable real estate for sites you visit often, which is why it's perfect for your Yahoo Mail shortcut. Next, look for a button that says Plus Add Shortcut. It's your gateway to creating a very convenient path to your Yahoo emails. Click on it, and you'll be greeted by a pop-up window that prompts you to add details about your new shortcut. Within this pop-up, there are two fields for you to fill. In the first field, you'll need to type a name for your shortcut. Let's name it Yahoo Mail. It's simple and ensures you know exactly what to expect when you click it. The next field is equally important. It requires the URL. Here, you'll want to type in the official web address for Yahoo Mail, which is https://mail.yahoo.com. Be sure to input this address accurately to avoid any mishaps when trying to access Yahoo Mail later. After you've entered the name and URL, look for a button labeled Done and go ahead and click it. This action confirms the creation of your shortcut, and if everything was put in place correctly, you should now see Yahoo Mail appear among the existing shortcuts on your new tab page in Chrome. It's right there, ready and waiting for you to use whenever you need quick access. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added Yahoo Mail to Google Chrome as a shortcut. From this point on, accessing your Yahoo emails is both efficient and straightforward. Whenever you open a new tab, your shortcut is just a click away, making it a much more seamless part of your daily browsing experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to refer back to this tutorial. Thank you for watching and enjoy the ease of accessing your emails swiftly from now on.